A snowstorm forced New York City's arraignment courts to close until 2 p.m. Monday, delaying processing of arrested people and raising concerns about backlogs in holding facilities. Courts began handling arrests, but Legal Aid Society filed a writ alleging police and the Brooklyn DA's office were holding people past the 24-hour limit before arraignment. Under the Roundtree ruling, arraignment should occur within 24 hours unless extraordinary circumstances. In Brooklyn, 317 people awaited arraignment, including 127 held over 24 hours. Manhattan had 175 detainees, with 32 over. The Bronx 162, with 58 over. Brooklyn's Supreme Court Judge Adam Perlmutter ordered the NYPD to detail why anyone was held beyond 24 hours. The backlog was cleared after the intervention, but finger-pointing continued. Legal Aid blamed police for low-level arrests. The NYPD said there were no policy changes and cited holidays, staffing, and construction. Appearance tickets were urged for subway cases.